Assalamualaikum dear friends. I welcome to all of you to my channel. Well, I'm Mr. Shakir Fazal. Dear friends, हम लोगों ने लास्ट लेक्चर में पास्ट कंटिन्यूस के बारे में पढ़ा था कि उसका यूजेज क्या है डेली लाइफ में, हम इसको कैसे पहचान सकते हैं, कैसे बना सकते हैं सेंटेंस इनके। ठीक है, तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के बारे में। ठीक है, कि पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस क्या होता है, इसको हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस वर्ब को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं और कैसे सेंटेंसेस भी बना सकते हैं। ठीक है डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर हम ये सिंपली बात कर लें, ये जो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस आप लोग देख रहे हैं, ये अपने नेम से पता चल रहा है कि इसका क्या मकसद होता है, क्या मीनिंग होता है और इसको कहाँ हम क्या उर्दू मीनिंग दे सकते हैं इसको। ठीक है, पास्ट का मतलब आप लोगों को पता होगा कि माजी, परफेक्ट का आप लोगों को भी पता होगा कि कोई चीज़ मुकम्मल हो, कोई काम। ठीक है, टेंस का मतलब कि टेंस का मतलब ज़माना, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि पहले माजी ओके मुकम्मल। इसका मतलब हम ये कह सकते हैं, हम ये बता सकते हैं इसका मीनिंग कि जो काम माजी में मुकम्मल हो, जो काम माजी में मुकम्मल हो, इसको हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कह सकते हैं। डियर्स, यहाँ पे जो मैंने डेफिनेशन इंग्लिश में लिखी हुई है, ओके, इट्स टू सिंपल फॉर यू पीपल। ओके, it doesn't matter that you have to need, okay, I cannot say to you that you have to write this, okay, definition. You can, okay, write with your own words, just get the meaning, purpose, and you can write with your own words, okay, then that will be, okay, much better than mine, because, okay, I thought my, okay, I wrote here my own ideas, you can write your own ideas, okay, it's mean it will be better for you. Okay, you can get, okay, thought from this video, but you can write, okay, the definition of past perfect tense with your own English words. Okay, so I wrote here the actions which were completed in past. Okay, this is simple. Okay, I wrote because, okay, you people get it. Okay, what is it? And okay, means you have to know that, okay, how we can use it. Okay, means the actions which were completed in past time. Okay, जो काम past time में complete हुआ, हम इसको past perfect tense कहते हैं। ठीक है, if we see the helping verb of this one, okay, this is, you people are seeing, okay, helping verb had. What? Had. Okay, had. Okay, just one helping verb is there, that is had. Had, okay, can be used with all subjects. Okay, can be used with all subjects. Okay, there is no any rule that with singular, with plural we cannot say. Okay, it can be used with all subjects because this is the only one, okay, helping verb is there. The next one is, that is, okay, verb. We have to know, this is too much. Okay, another, okay, important what I will say to you there. Okay, you have to remember in your mind that each and every perfect tenses are there. Okay, perfect like present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Okay, okay, they follow, okay, third form of verb. Okay, they need third form of verb. This, okay, this idea should be kept in your mind. Okay, that each and every, okay, three perfect tenses are there, we have to follow, okay, third form of verb in perfect tenses. Also past perfect tense we use third form of verb. Dear friends, if we see the Urdu identification of this one, अगर हम उर्दू सेंटेंस में उर्दू के सेंटेंस जब हम बना रहे होंगे, उर्दू में जब हम, okay, कोई सेंटेंस या कोई पैराग्राफ लिख रहे होंगे, then we have to know that जब हमें पास्ट परफेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, ठीक है, तो हमें ये पता होना है कि उर्दू में हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं। तो इसका ये तरीका है कि चुका था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, चुकी थी, चुके थे, ये जब उर्दू के लास्ट सेंटेंस के लास्ट में आएंगे, इसका मतलब ये होता है ये पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस है। डेर ये हो गया इसका सिंपल डेफिनेशन जो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया। फिर मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ कि जो काम माजी में मुकम्मल हो, जो काम गुजरे टाइम में मुकम्मल हो, जो काम के पास्ट में मुकम्मल हो, हम इसको पास्ट सिंपल टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कहते हैं। ठीक है, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कहते हैं। डियर्स, नाउ लेट्स कम दैट हाउ कैन वी मेक सेंटेंस, हम इसका सेंटेंस कैसे बना सकते हैं। okay, with formulas. Okay, these formulas are there which I put here: simple, negative and interrogative. Okay, you can, okay, you have tried to, okay, write these, okay, simple formulas in your notebook registers and try to make, okay, I just put one example of each formulas. Okay, you have to, okay, put another, okay, means verbs. You have to write another, okay, sentences with your own, okay, mind according these formulas which I put here. Okay, then if you didn't get any confusion, if you got any confusion, so you can comment me. Okay, simple. Okay, I directly reply to you. I'm, okay, online each and every time. I'm, okay, available for you people each and every time. Okay, if you didn't get one, okay, words, okay, one word, if you didn't get one sentence, one formula, okay, one meaning, if you didn't get, so you guys are requested to, okay, you are freely, okay, you can free, means freely you can text or, okay, comments me. So dear, this is the simple formula. Okay, subject. For simple formula, I already told to you that first of all we have to bring subject after helping verb. What is our helping verb of past perfect tense? That is had. After this one, third form of verb and object. Likewise, okay, I here, okay, wrote a sentence that is, I had known you. I had known you. Okay, I is subject, had is helping verb, our, okay, known is our what, third form of verb, and you is our object, means I had known you. Okay, yes, while you will be changing such kind of sentences, so you can say that I had not known you. I already told to you people that, okay, while we will be putting negative, then we have to put, okay, not. Difference between, okay, sorry, okay, means, okay, between had and known, means between helping verb and main verb we have to put our not. Okay, likewise in here, okay, I wrote the formula. This is, okay, subject plus negative one. Okay, subject plus helping word plus had, okay, plus not plus third form. You people are seeing that I put my not, okay, between helping word and main verb. Okay, means had plus not plus third form verb plus object. Okay, you people are seeing here that, okay, hi, we had not written a story. Okay, this is my what, not. This is my not. I put between helping verb and main verb. We had not, okay, written a story. We had not, okay, okay, done this work, for example. Okay, you can make another sentences. Okay, and if we talk about the interrogative, I already each and every lecture I told to you the meaning of, okay, interrogative means, okay, question, means when you will be asking someone question. Okay, when you will ask a question to someone, then you will use interrogative sentences. Okay, for example, I can say that, had they deceived you? Had they deceived you? This is the formula. Okay, I put here helping verb. Before the subject we have to put helping verb. After the helping verb, okay, we have to put what, subject, and third form of verb plus object plus question mark. Dear friends, for interrogative sentences, question mark is necessary. Okay, question mark is necessary. Without question mark, okay, no one, if you will write, okay, interrogative sentences in your paper examinations, okay, then you cannot get marks. Okay, without, okay, interrogative. Question marks means, okay, in interrogative sentences, question mark, okay, play, okay, very big, okay, role, okay, to play. Dear friends, this is past perfect tense which I told to you. If you didn't get anything, you are freely, okay, you can means text me, you can comment me simply. Okay, means you are okay, I'm able for you. Okay, means I'm available each and every time. Okay, whatever I know, okay, I will give the answer. I'm able for these tenses. Okay, inshallah. Okay, if you got any confusion, so you can. Okay, dear, this is past perfect tense which I told to you. I hope you people will watch it and you will like it, and also you will share it with friends. Okay, means these are the simple things which I am teaching to you in daily basis. Okay, each and every day I am sharing one video regarding tenses plus each and everything. Okay, if you okay, have any other confusion from tenses, from other English grammar, so you can comment to me and I will upload video regarding your confusions. Okay.